What's up guys, and welcome to the 34th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about array of structures. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'll do is go to this line and type struct employee curly braces and type int employee number. Next line, float wage. Now type employee EMPS square brackets equals curly braces, new line, more curly braces, 1 comma say 10.18, close that off, curly braces, put a comma in, more curly braces, number 2, say something like 15.50, close that off with curly braces, another comma, go one back, 2.50.50, now put in the curly braces, a comma, go to the next line, put in 3 curly braces, then put in 3 and put in 13, not 00. You can have any number you want. Go to the next line, close that off with a semicolon, and now go into the main program, type int main int I, close that off. Next line, a for statement, initialization should be I equals 0. Next line, the condition should be I is less than 3, and the increment should be I plus plus, and so the statement should be std cout emps curly, not even curly, square brackets dot emp number, yes, have some spaces, go to the next line, emps square braces I dot wage less than, have a new line and close that off. Okay, this needs to go, this needs to go, so we're good to go. Okay, so we have a program to demonstrate an array of structures. So where it says struct employee right at the top, we can say, or we can declare employee record structure. Where it says employee EMPS with square brackets, instantiate an initialized array of employee structures. It's been initialized once, twice, and 3 times. And where it says stdcout emps square brackets with I in there, dereference the structure members through the array subscript. So if you run this, we'll see what we get. Hopefully we should get 1, 2, 3, and then all the values such as 10.18, 15.5, and 13. Yes, so we are there. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.